Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, what I talk? I'm very excited about it. What should I talk today? I think when I think about it, what should I talk? In my mind, gonna blank. What should do the specific topic? Then I decide that let's jump in, and then automatically talk will come soon. And that's happened here. Look, what I learned today. Look, I read the audiobook. Not sorry for that. I listened the audiobook. And this book was so good for increasing your confidence, your self-esteem, all about this. And it will rewire your mind, and you can get through this audiobook that we have a lots of neurons, and many neurons are put in our mind, and they feel relaxed, they never want to go for a work. And what's responsibility? The responsibility which is our, that we should raise up this neuron and come back to work. This is the whole reality of brain. And once you did something good, then your dopamine release a good chemical that you feel very good. And actually I realized it before some time. I had no idea about, but I literally I began to catch it, and I am able to catch something. Still I'm not gonna to let this scenario, because I love this scenario. I love the reading book, I love listening musics in English, listening book audio in English especially, and listening all new information in AI world, because AI world did something different. They make a robot that's called Sophia, and she was so intelligent. She is so intelligent, not as she was. She is so intelligent, and she looked like a human being, and they talk like a human being. They react like a human being. What's the mind? Who's made these? That's incredibly thinking. What's the her incredible thinking? I think he was a brilliant. He is a brilliant, because the Sophia looks like all human, and they they do some mimicry, and then do some jokes. And once in one interview, once lady questioned her that can you replace a human. Then she said that no, I can't replace human, but we need to work together and create a new world, and being a problem solver. And that's Sophia's feeling. And once in one interview, one boy who asked one question, that are you like to, what's your favorite things are you want to do. Then she said, I want to learn a dance, how to dance. And because she's robot, she can't be she not flexible, and then she can't dance. So she learned something. Then all this is this is so funny sometimes, but it's an important lesson that humans made a humans robot, and it will reduce the humans workload, and it can be useful for human who made it and who can handle it. And we all need to learn how to handle a machine, and machine learning is most important in new world, in new AI world, because we are, some people are not aware from this, and maybe they are not interested. There are lots of field you can develop your ability, but in this field you can connect this, and let's boom back. What's you think? I think it's okay for everyone. Let's see what happened and let's try to learn anything and it not anything in a specific thing. And I like to enjoy this scenario and I'm very happy for that. Bye bye. Thank you so much.